What's that? Pancakes! Oh, can I try some, please? They look good. What you got there, Mum? Is it for me? Piece of meaty beefs. I likes meaty beefs. Pancakes with lemons on. Ew, make my eyes go squeezy. Get rid of that. Nana? I don't knows about nanas. No, not nanas on pancakes. Sorry, mums. Try something else. Nana gets all round my mouth. What next? Come on, mums. Tasty but so sticky. It's stuck to my roots of my mouth. Tasty though. Nutter. Peanut nutter. Licks my lips. Very tasties. More yummy pancake. Not going to spoils it with berries though. Blueberries? Not sure about thems. Oh, maybe not so bad. Just no. Pink slimy stuff. Just no. I'll eat my pancakes though, I like that. Ooh. Gotta get rid of that. No. Don't likes it, Mum. Take it away. Nope. Nope, don't likes it. I'm still not going to eat it. I know I don't likes it. My mouth's still crinkly from the lemons. Sticky black marmite. I don't knows if I loves it or I hates it. I just don't knows. Ew, it's slimies. I don't like slimies. Likes pancakes though. I don't want slimy stuff. Oh. Give it. Oh, actually, it's quite nice. Pâtés to finish. My favourites. Hi, Lloyd's cat. Come and sit up here, Lloyd's cat. You sit up here, you get food. See? Beefs. Beefs is good. Now you're here, Lloydie cat, we get the good stuff. Mum tried to give me some horrible stuff earlier. Slimy and funny and didn't taste good. But got some nice stuff too. See, if we just look cute, we get more food. Please, Mum, please, can we have some more? Please? Go on.